Smith Services presents the TrackMaster Plus GeoTrack system. The TrackMaster Plus GeoTrack system is designed to orient and anchor the whipstock, mill the window, and directionally drill the hole section from an existing wellbore in one trip. The integration of specialized drilling technologies and project planning delivers significant cost reduction. The key components are expandable anchor, GeoTrack whip, GeoTrack mill, mud motor with lockup system, dress mill, running tool and non-advancing multi-cycle bypass valve, and gyro MWD. The GMWD orients the whipstock, gyro surveys in close proximity to the casing, and magnetically surveys when away from the casing. At the desired depth, the assembly is oriented and a benchmark survey is established. The multi-cycle bypass valve is then closed to allow sufficient flow through the motor to set the expandable anchor. The motor is restrained from rotation by a proprietary locking system. Once the anchor has been set, the milling assembly is disconnected from the whipstock, severing the connector and the control line. Increased fluid flow releases the motor, allowing it to function freely. The combined rotation of the motor and drill string initiates the window starting at the fast cutout ramp. Rotary milling is halted with the completion of the initial cutout. The assembly is pulled above the whipstock, reoriented, and then window milling begins. The long gauge section of the whip face enables elongation of the window, ensuring a full gauge usable exit. The mid-ramp mechanically pushes the mill across center point to avoid coring. Drill string rotation begins as the dress mill reaches the top of the whip and continues until it exits the window into the formation. The dress mill is worked across the window to ensure unobstructed access for future drilling and completion assemblies. A benchmark survey is taken prior to drilling ahead. The assembly is stripped to bottom and oriented. Gyro MWD assisted directional steering begins. The steerable GeoTrack assembly drills the sidetrack well to target locations.